Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my dearest sisters. I had to share something really beautiful that just happened with me. I left the Quran classes at PGCC and I came to Coles to do some shopping. Whilst I was shopping, this lady actually asked me to get out because she said that how could you ever be allowed in this place with this thing on your face? And it was amazing because she had so much hate in her eyes and she wanted to kill me if she could. And I said, excuse me, what makes you think that you're the one who can decide who comes in here and who doesn't? And she said, no, you should not be allowed anywhere in public places in Australia with this thing on your face. I don't know what got into me. I just had to give her a hug. I said, sister, can I please give you a hug? And I just gave her a hug. And I hugged her, and subhanallah, it was amazing how she just burst out crying on my shoulder. She just cried and cried and cried her heart out, subhanallah. And then I just lifted up my niqab and I told her, sister, I'm not doing this out of oppression. I'm doing this out of my own choice. And she started crying even more. And I said, why are you so upset? And she said, because I just saw a documentary this morning about how Muslim women are forced and oppressed to wear the hijab and this thing on your face, and they're raped and things like that. I said, that's exactly why you have so much hate, because you are watching these things on the media and you're believing what you see on the media. I'm a journalist and I know how much filth and how much bias goes on behind the screen. You know, to get that out there, to change and brainwash the people, the minds of the people in the world. And she was so amazed that we could speak English, that, you know, that subhanallah, she had a completely different picture of us, of Muslim women. And she apologized to me, she hugged me, she was so happy, subhanallah. She kept on thanking me for telling her. And she was part of a Catholic church here in Dufton. So guess what I just did? I invited her to PGCC tonight. And she's very, very happy, mashallah. And I told her, you know, whatever you eat, your meal is on me. You have to come to PGCC tonight and ask the Mufti, which is my husband. You can ask him any question that you like. Inshallah, he'll be more than happy to help you. She was thrilled. So yeah, she's coming in tonight. Now you guys make dua, she becomes a Muslim, inshallah. My reason of telling you guys this is, it's amazing what akhlaq can do. It's amazing what good character can do. It's absolutely amazing what just a hug and just a smile can do. Loosen up, and have good character. You'll conquer the world with that. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Hope this video was helpful for you. This may help others too, so please consider sharing, and we will bring more videos in the future, inshallah. So consider subscribing and you won't miss any. Jazakallahu khairan.